Hi everyone, today we are going to make lasagna. This is a recipe that I have made for many years and everyone loves it. There are many different recipes with different kinds of cheese or other ingredients, but this one is the recipe I make it. I am making it today of a request of a lovely friend because she loves my lasagna. Let's go! First, let's turn on the stove. Add a little olive oil. Add the onion and garlic. Let it fry. Make the regular meat of your choice. The most important thing is that the sauce is thin because it is what you cook the lasagna. My friend will hate me because I don't have the measurement. I do it by eye. Add salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, a little bit oregano. The amount of the meat will depend on the size of your lasagna. If it is small, a pound will be enough. In this one, I am using 2 pounds of ground beef. After the meat is cooked, add tomato sauce and a can of table cream. The sauce is thick, so I am going to add a little water because the sauce has to be thin. And now you just need to add a scallion and parsley. The sauce is ready, and now all that's left to do is assemble the lasagna. The first, I add a layer of sauce just for making sure the noodles don't stick to the pan. I go to make it with gluten-free lasagna. A little more sauce. And then I add ham and cheese. I am going to use mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. But you can use whatever cheese you like it. A little more sauce. And pasta. Finish it with the rest of the sauce and ham. In the last layer, I don't add cheese so it doesn't stick to the aluminum foil. Because now we are going to cover the pan with aluminum foil. Leave baking for 30-45 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. Let's see how it is. The noodle is still a little hard, so I go leave it to bake for more than 10 minutes. When the lasagna is ready, I add more cheese on the top and put it in the oven until the cheese melts. And then just serve. I put a little bit in the broil to brown. Wow, look at that. Enjoy.